Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve one more question on SQL 50, which is percentage of user attended a contest. Okay, so in this question there is given a user table and register table. Okay, so the register table contains column name and type. Okay, column name is basically user ID and a username, and the type has been given int and varchar. User ID act as a primary key for this user table. Okay, and there is another register table which having contest id and user id, and the type has been given int. Okay, so contest id and user id both combination is act as in primary key, and we have to write the solution to find the percentage of user. Okay, so in this solution we have to write the solution to find the percentage of user. Okay, to find the percentage of user and user registered in each contest. Okay, each contest you just have to find the percentage. Okay, it should be rounded off to the 2 decimal places. Okay, return the result in any order, or sorry, descending order. In case of order, then you have to do id as in ascending order. Okay, contest id as an ascending order. So there is a user table and there is a register table. Okay, so you just have to, user id is given 627. Okay, and here is also given user id. You just have to find the percentage. Okay, all the user registered in contest is 208, 209 and 2010. Okay, so all the registered, the percentage is 100%. We sort them in answer table by contest id. Okay, if there is tie, then we will sort them on a contest id. Okay, so I hope you understand that what this question is telling. You just have to find the percentage. You just have to find the percentage of user. Okay, so let's